curly queens, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've already twisted one side of my hair. I can't tell you how many I have because they are really small. It's just a lot, but I'm only using one product. This product just glides right on. I can tell it is actually moisturizing my hair, which is a plus for me. I did detangle my hair with the Miracle Worker 14-in-1. I'm using the Demon brush just to smooth my hair through. I take a good amount of this cream and put it throughout my hair strands. When you are twisting your hair, you want to kind of put your fingers together and go down the hair strand as you twist. That way you're smoothing it as you go. I'm going to put a little bit more on the ends. And I'm making sure I use enough of the cream since this is the only product that I'm using, because I'm trying to avoid frizz once it dries and I unravel the twist. As you twist to get better results, make sure you are twisting closely. Don't put a lot of space between each time as you twist. So make sure you're just close like this. Make sure it's tight. Don't drag it down like that where it'll end up being loose. I am really surprised with this product though. It is really good. Like, I have the Jamaican black castor oil in this same product, the hair sorbet, and I can tell a difference between those two. Like, I'm getting the moisture. That's all I can say. And I don't want to use too much water only because I want my hair to dry kind of quickly. I don't want it to go to bed with it wet. And I don't want to sit on the dryer for a long time either. I'm going to slow down when I twist this one so you can see the method that I'm talking about. Separate into your two strands. Get close to the roots. Keep one hand close to the twist while the other hand is smoothing down as you twist. Just like that. You'll see me kind of separating like this just to make sure it's smooth. And like I always say, make sure you have the same amount of hair for each twist. Ooh, I do not know, but the way my twists are coming out, this may be my style for tomorrow. I am just loving these twists. They are juicy and they will last. You can tell if a style is going to come out or not before it's finished. I just like how this product just glides on. It is so moisturizing. I cannot stress that. I'm like, where has this product been? And the price is so good. You do not have to buy expensive products all the time just to get good results. As I get towards the top of my hair, I use bobby pins just to keep them flat. I want my roots to be smooth, especially where you can see it, which is the top. So that's why I leave the bobby pins in. Okay, I'm going to take my bobby pin now, since I'm getting around my edges, and just put it right at the roots. Yes, I'm almost finished. When it comes to the front part of my hair, the ends are kind of loose, so I have to scrunch my hair up just to get the coil. I'm just like, y'all don't see this shine? You don't see it? I promise I am going to let you see the finished results. I'm not going to forget, but I may leave these in for a day or two, and the longer you leave your twists in, the more coily or the curlier your coils will be, the better the results will be, I would say. You'll get more of a definition of your curls if you leave the twist in for a long time. But I am so happy with this shine. The moisture is here. Yeah, just great reviews for this product.